Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to create a connection with GAP software, and hopefully we get all the details relevant to the wells. So you can see on the right hand side, we have a GAP interface, and we will write a few lines of code that will connect to that. Basically, I'm importing all the libraries I need, plus I'm importing a utility library that I have created previously. So we will start first by creating an open server instance. So we will create a server by typing open server, and that's it. And then we need to connect to that server like this by typing connect. And let's run the code to check if the server is connected. We will create a variable that will hold all the utilities for GAP software. So we will create a variable, let's call it GAP. So let's run this again. Seems to work fine. Now it's time to actually start importing data from this GAP interface. So the first thing I will do is I will type gap dot get all pipe names. So I'm getting the pipe names for, we have multiple piping segments on this GAP project. So let's press enter. Next step is actually to get all the relevant informations of the well. So gap dot get all well details, open and close parentheses, and then run it. So basically those are all the relevant informations that you need. You can also convert this into a table by typing data frame equals to pd.dataframe, and then just pass in all those informations that are related. And let's run this. Once you run this, you can see the command is executed again. Basically, this is all the information that I have decided to retrieve from GAP model. Thank you so much, and tune in for next videos.